Okay, so the gradient tool. To use the gradient tool, you'll have to make a shape first, which is you either go up here to choose the shape that you want, the rectangle, or press and hold to get all the list of other shapes. For example, the ellipse tool. Press and hold shift to create a perfect circle. And here you see I have a gradient. It's because I pressed this tiny what's this called, square here, and it got me a gradient. If I press this square that says none, I will remove it, or if I press this one, I will create a fill color, which is green right now. You can't really see it because the background is green, but let's just create a gradient right here. To edit this gradient, you'll have to go to the gradient tool, or G for a shortcut, and then you'll have this line. If you go to one of the corners, you can, if you just move around a little bit, you'll see this rotate kind of symbol. Click and hold, and you can rotate this whole gradient. You can rotate it and change the angle. If you press on this arrow right here, when you see this arrow, and move it, you can move the gradient up or down. And you can move this tiny square in the middle right here up or down to change the colors too. Now if you want to change the colors themselves, you'll have to go to this window right here that it opened on the right side, and now I can't see my mouse. Why can't I see it? What? Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, go to this window right here, and then you click on the white square. You double click on it. You can see that it's white over here. If you click on swatches, it will give you a few colors. Let's choose maybe yellow or whatever. And then for the other gradient, the black square, you double click on it and we'll choose orange. You can also edit the gradient itself from over here. So instead of pressing on this square in the middle and changing the gradient, you can press on the square here in the window that opened. It's the exact same thing. So you just press it and hold it, move it to change it. Okay, so let's delete this thing and continue. The eyedropper, it's the same as Photoshop. It lets you choose a color. So if I created a rectangle or any shape, and then I pressed on the eyedropper tool, or I for a shortcut, and for example pressed on this shape right here, it will give me the exact same shape as that one.